It's very clear that donors alone can not affect enough change to achieve our goals around rural development and climate. And it's very clear that the private sector needs to step in. That's where there's really a need for the donor coordination with the private sector. And we've seen really many success stories where when donors have stepped in is when we can actually see impact at the agriculture SME level, at the cooperative level, and then ultimately for farmer livelihoods. Agriculture SMEs and cooperatives are really the key to strong communities. They have the opportunity to employ women and youth, indigenous people. They are often sometimes the only licit economy in their rural community, depending on where they are. And they also have the linkages to smallholder farmers, which also means that they can influence climate resilient activities with their farmers and promote those climate objectives. The investors who are trying to finance these organizations are facing very high transaction costs, high risks. Donors can play a part in financing the technical assistance, but there's also space for them to create innovative risk-sharing mechanisms to defray some of the risks for investors. That's really a place where donors can step in and share in that risk-taking, knowing that these SMEs are otherwise underserved and are able to create much more impact when they have access to adequate and affordable financing.